Oh, wait. Oh, chargeables. More. Oh, I need that screwdriver. What?
Guess what? When I walked in front of your Christmas tree, I was like this. Ah!
The batteries are charging enough. Look, I'm bringing my other 4th of July hamster. So that I have both. This is a
frog.
This is a long hair hamster. Other one is the short hair hamster. He kind of smells, Jordan. Huh? Oh, cool. You connected them. I know that.
Guess what? I was like this. Pretend it's done. And it just went, and I was like, ah!
This one's. Let's see the other one. Where's the other hamster?
I know where it is.
Oh, here it is. Look at how short the hair is. It doesn't even have fur.
Yes, let me see it.
Now I got both of them. Both of the versions. Bye. How did we get in the before times? Dinosaurs! How? I don't think school buses are really that fast. What the heck? This ain't working. Uh-oh, the wire button's broken. What the heck? What? What is it?